Some big breaking news coming in. There's no relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor gate case. The Rouse Avenue Court has extended Kejriwal's judicial custody till August 8th. In the liquor scam CBI case, Kejriwal also appeared in the CBI case through video conferencing, and now his stay at the Tihar jail will continue till August 8th. That's the latest as far as the liquor gate case is concerned. No relief in sight for the Delhi Chief Minister because his judicial custody has been extended till August 8th. My colleague Shravan Sen will join me in just a moment and give us insights on Kejriwal's judicial custody extension. Remember, viewers, after the Enforcement Directorate, it was the CBI that arrested Arvind Kejriwal in connection with the liquor policy case. And Team Kejriwal has been pressing multiple times for a bail, but it seems like the Rouse Avenue Court has now extended his judicial custody till August 8th. Shravan Sen has joined me in this live broadcast. Shravan, what are the implications of this extension of custody of the Delhi Chief Minister?
Well, in fact, this augurs more trouble for the Chief Minister of Delhi, keeping in mind that the judicial custody has been extended. But the only silver lining perhaps is that this would perhaps pave the way for Arvind Kejriwal to apply for a bail in this entire matter. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate has already countered the bail application that he has filed in the past on the grounds that, one, this is an ongoing investigation. He happens to be the main accused in this particular case. Rather, he's also been dubbed as the kingpin as far as the liquor gate is concerned. And that is the reason why it has only created more trouble, more hurdles for the Chief Minister at this point in time. You've already had the Aam Aadmi Party, once again blaming the centre, saying that, one, the Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation are largely operating on the orders that have been passed by the government, and there is no case that stands out. This has been countered by the Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation on the grounds that there is enough evidence to the effect that Arvind Kejriwal was the man who was the signatory, one. Secondly, he was aware of the kickbacks that were allegedly received by the Aam Aadmi Party. They are also countering it by saying that if you look at the money trail that has emerged, the money trail essentially indicates that the Aam Aadmi Party is the sole beneficiary of the liquor gate.
Right, Shravan, many thanks for joining me with those details while the trouble for Delhi Chief Minister continues in the Delhi excise policy case. It seems like there's trouble brewing for the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister in the excise department of Andhra Pradesh under the previous rule of ISRCP government.